Hi folks, today we're here talking about the 2016 H22B by Xtreme. This boat is the all aluminum fishing boat that you love. It's built like a tank. You don't worry about the wells because they are done well. This boat is a great fishing boat. If you look at the V construction, it goes through the waves good and is a fantastic fishing boat for the flats. It comes with a pedestal seat up front, plenty of fish boxes, fish storage and garage storage. This boat is one heck of a beast to get going on. Bimini top to keep you out of the sun. Look at all the nice seating it has, fish boxes, rod storage, nice center console, plenty of seating for everyone. Very comfortable boat to go fishing anywhere you want. Come check out the Xtreme at Panama City Beach, MarineMax, located at Treasure Island. Come see me, David, at any time. How was that video for you? This is just a little video just to show you all the things that this boat's capable of and all the features and benefits that it might have on it. Come see me, David, at MarineMax Panama City Beach, located at Treasure Island, and we'll go for a little ride on this boat and show you what it's all about.